आज हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे साउंड ऑफ vowel E. Read and speak aloud. Idiot, bead, defeat, elidilate, red, wed, wed, egg, beg, keg, leg, meg, feg, en, ben, den, fen, hen, pen, idiot, bet, jet, set, mate, net, x, apex, fax, tax, hex, legs. Fill in the blanks with the missing letter. Bed, bed, game, game, den, red, red, pet, egg, tex, net, wed, veg, mate, lid.
Circle the odd.
Circle the odd one. Jam, big no, bit no, big no, hen no, fig no, hot yes, legs no, den no, cake no, red no, top yes, lop yes, net yeah no, man yes, jet no, wit no, match the rhyming word. Leg, make, leg, make, pen, hen, sit, jet, fix, hex, red, bed, red bed,